Hello everyone, this is Mahilaka and today I will tell you how to take a screenshot of any website. To do that, first you need to download a Chrome extension. Let me walk you through how you can download it. Just head over to your browser and type go full page Chrome extension and hit enter. And now hit over the first link you will get. You can download it from here. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to skip this step. It's time to take the screenshot of the website. You can see I have this website. I'm going to take the screenshot of this web page. So go to your extension. You will get all your extension from here. So click on Go Full Page extension that you recently downloaded it. It will automatically start capturing your whole page without doing anything. Meaning to say you don't need to do anything. You can see your website is fully captured, and now you have to download it, right? So you can either download it as a PDF format or as a PNG format. So for me, I'm going to download it as a PNG format. It is downloaded, and let me show you how it looks like. Thank you for watching this video.